Tens family. Dear friends, let us count the named sticks all together. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 name sticks. Now we are going to bundle them. Number of bundle of name sticks is 1. But the number of name sticks are 10. One bundle has 10 name sticks. Let us see again. Number of bundles of name sticks is 1. Number of name sticks are 10. One bundle has 10 sticks. This is called 110. Now see here. The number of bundles of name sticks are 2. So the number of name sticks are 20. 2 bundles have 20 name sticks. This is called 2 tens. Now see here. The number of bundles of name sticks are 3. So the number of name sticks are 30. 3 bundles have 30 name sticks. This is called 3 tens. Now see here. The number of bundles of name sticks are 4. So the number of name sticks are 40. 4 bundles have 40 name sticks. This is called 4 tens. See here now. The number of bundles of name sticks are 5. So the number of name sticks are 50. 5 bundles have 50 name sticks. This is called 5 tens. Now see here. The number of bundles of name sticks are 6. So the number of name sticks are 60. 6 bundles have 60 name sticks. This is called 6 tens. See here now. The number of bundles of name sticks are 7. So the number of name sticks are 70. 7 bundles have 70 name sticks. This is called 7 tens. Now see here. The number of bundles of name sticks are 8. So the number of name sticks are 80. 8 bundles have 80 name sticks. This is called 8 tens. See here now. The number of bundles of name sticks are 9. So the number of name sticks are 90. 9 bundles have 90 name sticks. This is called 9 tens.